Here's some Yellowstone Eruption Trivia. Subscribe. What national park features a supervolcano? Is it A, Yosemite National Park, B, Glacier National Park, C, Grand Canyon National Park, or D, Yellowstone National Park? The correct answer is D, Yellowstone National Park. Which geological feature caused the last major eruption? Is it A, Mount Fuji, B, Mount St. Helens, C, Yellowstone caldera, or D, Kilauea volcano? The correct answer is C, Yellowstone caldera. Which famous geyser is located within Yellowstone? Is it A, Steamboat Springs, B, Old Faithful, C, Grand Geyser, or D, Giantess Geyser? The correct answer is B, Old Faithful. What is the primary natural resource found in a volcanic area? Is it A, freshwater springs, B, oil deposits, C, coal seams, or D, geothermal energy? The correct answer is D, geothermal energy. Which city is closest to Yellowstone National Park? Is it A, Salt Lake City, B, Denver, C, Bozeman, or D, Jackson? The correct answer is D, Jackson. What major river is associated with Yellowstone's geography? Is it A, Colorado River, B, Missouri River, C, Snake River, or D, Yellowstone River? The correct answer is D, Yellowstone River. What is the estimated age of the Yellowstone Supervolcano? Is it A, 2? This estimate is also significantly younger than the actual age. 3, 1.5 million years. B, 1. This is too young. The supervolcano is much older. 2, 300,000 years. C, 2.1 million years. Or D, 1, 500,000 years. The correct answer is C, 2.1 million years. What type of eruption is characterized by columns of ash? Is it A, Strombolian eruption, B, fissure eruption, C, Plinian eruption, or D, Hawaiian eruption? The correct answer is C, Plinian eruption. What is the length of the Yellowstone River? Is it A, 500 miles, B, 850 miles, C, 692 miles, or D, 600 miles? The correct answer is C, 692 miles. What type of gas is largely emitted by volcanic activity? Is it A, carbon dioxide, B, helium, C, nitrogen, or D, oxygen? The correct answer is A, carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.